what can we tell small or medium-sized law firm owners about data? Like first of all, what kind of data should they be tracking?
So I think I always like to walk backwards. So identify what your goal is, right? So the most important thing is your revenue goal. So what is your revenue goal? For example, your revenue goal for 2025 is, let's say, like $2 million. So walk backwards. How many leads do you need to get to that stage on a weekly basis? How many matters you need to open? How many matters do you need to close? What is your collection goal? So there are about like 15, 20 entities, depending on the size of the law firm and type of the law they practice. You need to identify goals for each of these and then measure it on a weekly and a monthly basis so that you're not looking at numbers at once a quarter. By the time it's too late. So we encourage them to look at it on a weekly and monthly basis. And most of the law firms, they don't look at it that often because they've not invested in technology. They have not invested in a platform that can easily give them the information. So it doesn't make sense for them to spend like 10, 15 hours every month collecting that information. So that's why they kind of shy away from looking at data. And the goal is like, even after looking at the data, I don't want them to look at like a spreadsheet with like, 100 columns, right? Then you're just looking at data, you don't know what to do with it. So our goal is also to help them identify outliers, right? Red, yellow, green. What is working, what is not working in your practice? And when you see something that is red, that's when you focus, okay, you know what, this area of my practice needs attention. If it is green, you don't have to worry about it.